Hello.
Hello and happy camping Friday.
Yes, it is.
Welcome back to RP&W Adventures. I'm Marisa.
I'm Brian.
And today we are back on the Deschutes River, but in a completely different area.
Yeah.
Where are we at?
On the Deschutes. But the upper middle?
Yeah, we're kind of in the Lake Billy Chinook area, so we are outside of Madras, in between Madras and Redmond, in the Crooked
River grassland area.
Yeah.
Cove Palisades, that kind of area.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. And it is the first week of November, and it's like 54 out. So we are, again, escaping the rain from Southwest Washington. So we came over here to Central Oregon to get some blue sky. We got to get set up, and
sun's getting real low, big guy.
Yeah,
so
it is late afternoon, and we are gonna have to get dinner started here soon. So we got to hurry up and go.
All right,
go.
Let's show you the campsite here. Not a bad little spot. Just found it on Onyx and Google Maps, and just all right, go up. Still a little moist from last weekend. Bed's all set up. Usual. Dun. Hot chopper. Couple mattresses.
We did add the heated blanket though.
Oh yeah, just in case. We'll throw the Jackery down there. So. Oh my. best ladder from Frim. So good. Let's go. I only brought 8 of these.
Only 8.
Only 8 for 2 days to keep it.
That's all you had was 8.
Oh, man, that's good. We cook cookies.
Well, somebody wanted a stew. It will be good for this cold night, but I made a stew in the crock pot last night and this morning. So we're going to put that on the stove. I made some gluten-free biscuits, buttermilk biscuits. So we're going to have a couple of those with it. And yeah, hope it turns out good. All right, so we've got dinner ready. The stew is heated up and cooked up so yummy, and then heated up the biscuits on the stove here. So we're gonna serve it on up.
All right, dinner on a beautiful cliff overlooking a beautiful river. Amazing. Mm-hmm. Can't believe we're here. Can't believe we found this place.
No.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What? Yeah. Stew. Oh, Stewie.
That's my first time ever making a stew. Because I don't really prefer it, I guess. I don't know.
It just sounded good because last week we had chili. Mm-hmm. And I'm like, oh, what? It's another hearty,
yeah,
fall, crisp, cold.
Yeah. I guess just like my mom used to make it all the time when I was a kid, and I always hated it when I was a kid. So it's like, those foods that you don't like growing up, you tend not to make them as adults.
Here we go. Look at me eating mushed up carrots.
And me eating stew. Way to go.
Cozy den over there.
Yep.
Whoa. Update.
It's really cold.
Temperature's dropping really fast, and our Tauntaun's going to die before it hits the second marker. I don't know what we're going to do. It's going to last about another half an hour maybe out here, and then we're going to go in the tent. And
It is definitely. So we were on Deschutes Canyon last weekend. We're on the Deschutes again.
In a canyon. On top of a canyon.
We're on top of the canyon. And I think it was about the same temperature last weekend. I mean, it was in the 50s. It got down to the 40s, but it feels so much colder. It's okay. We're going to go through like a whole freaking thing of propane this weekend. We got most of the car packed up already because, oh, yeah. So update on Mouse Gate. It took the 4Runner in for its, every 5,000 mile service. 2.5 weeks or so since the mouse incident.
Exactly 2.
Well, Mr. Mouse, I get a text from Dick Hanna, Toyota, saying you need your cabin filter replaced because it was all chewed up. And then it proceeded to get another text about how we needed to get the AC sterilized and then mesh put in so that little Mr. Mouses and future mouses won't get in again. So
that was a lot of money that day.
So Mr. Mouse cost us quite a bit of money, but
yeah, we didn't really say that on the video that there was one in the car.
Oh yeah, we did.
Probably while we're dealing with the other one in the tote, and he ate all of the Reese's Pieces in the front seat.
And then got into the chip bag that was in the front seat as well.
Yeah.
But then we have not, we put mouse traps in the car. Have not seen any indications of a mouse, no mouse poop,
so he must have crawled up in the engine bay.
Yeah, so he made himself a little home in our air conditioning.
I guess so.
So now we are prepared against that, but it was a valuable, costly lesson. So learn from us. Keep your bins closed. Keep your car doors closed. Hopefully they don't get in the future.
Yep.
But it was It was a spendy day yesterday.
Yeah, yep. All right.
We're
Enough
gonna
of that.
enjoy the fire now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, the temperature has dropped incredibly. Our Tauntaun has died.
We are freezing. We're gonna go get in our warm tent. We've got our electric blanket going, so hopefully that helps warm us up. And we'll pick this back up in the AM.
Hopefully.
All right. We'll see you then.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're live.
We are.
We're unfrozen.
Barely.
Got cold last night. Holy cow.
I think this was the coldest camping we've done.
Pretty close.
It was, thank goodness that we had our electric blanket because that really helped to take the edge off.
Yeah. We got up at 3 a.m. and it was 34 out. I saw on the time lapse that I think we captured the northern lights.
Oh my gosh. If that
I'm like, what is that red pink?
It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see it on the computer.
Yeah. On a big screen.
Yep.
But we're gonna chill, hang out for a little bit longer and then pack up and then on to the next. So
yes. Just finish breakfast.
Yeah.
Got to do some cleanup, get some more coffee because I am out already.
Yeet.
All right, we are all packed up. We had a great night here in the Deschutes Canyon. Oh, it's so gorgeous. The stars, the sky. The cold wasn't so awesome, but we survived.
At least it wasn't raining.
Yeah, and it wasn't windy either, so that was a huge
perfect.
plus. It was perfect.
Yeah, but we are on to our next location. Somewhere around here.
Wherever that might be. We're going to go drive around and...
Tune in next week and see where we end up.
Yeah.
I don't know.
All right. Well, we hope you enjoyed this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. We have a video every Sunday. Comment what was your favorite thing about this video. Or
where would you like for us to go camping? Yeah.
But anyways, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye. Well, there you go.
What is that bright thing in the sky behind
Beer time. This sunset is sponsored by beer. Wherever that's at.
Or Free Spirit Recreation.
getting kind of nimbly going over the past. Give me my gloves back.
You have 2 pairs of gloves on this whole time?
I'm gonna kill you, Lord. I'm gonna kill you. Hurry! Your hands are freezing. The Dumb and Dumber quote for the night. Brought to you by Ben. There you go.
Movie quote extraordinaire.
Call me up. I do parties, birthday parties, any kind of parties. You know, if you need any kind of movie lines read, just call me up.
Straight off the top of your dome.
Just right. It's just back there. God forbid I know what math is or how to pronounce stuff.
Words.
But I know movie quotes like up the A.
I'm tired.
She needs a nap. She just